This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cooling system drain refill. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. Cooling system draining. Set the heater temperature control to maximum heat. Move a large container capable of holding at least 12 quarts under the radiator drain fitting. Open the drain fitting located at the bottom of the radiator. Allow the coolant to completely drain out. Remove the pressure cap. Once the coolant has drained completely, close the radiator drain fitting by hand. Cooling system filling. Attach a length of tubing to the coolant bleed valve. Direct the end of the hose into a container, then loosen the bleed valve. The use of the hose will prevent coolant from bubbling out and spilling onto the drive belts and air conditioning compressor. Add the correct mixture and proper type of coolant through the filler neck until it reaches the pressure cap seat. Once a steady, bubble-free stream of coolant flows from the bleed valve bolt, if equipped, tighten the bleed valve securely. Install the pressure cap. Add the same coolant mixture to the reservoir until the level is between the full hot and add marks. Start and run the engine until normal operating temperature is reached. The fans will cycle on, then off. Then allow the engine to cool. With the engine cold, add coolant as necessary to bring it back up to the correct level.